Hi again. Hope you have been following along. We're now going to solve our sixth problem in picoCTF2018. This one differs a little bit from the previous because we're not going to search on Google this time. The problem is resources this time for 50 points, and we are still under the category General Skills. The problem is as follows. We put together a bunch of resources to help you out on our website. If you go there, you might even find a flag. And to get there, we can either choose to use the address given or the link. Now, a bunch of resources to help you out. That doesn't just mean that you should try finding the flag. But if you're looking through the tutorials I've made so far, you should definitely read those resources. And as a casual side note, this is where I made my first mistake, but more on that later. We are going to open the link here in a new tab. And here we have many resources and also video tutorials. These resources are useful, and sooner or later there will be problems in these areas, so I would advise you to read them. We're going to open general skills here real fast, and as you can see, Linux, you can't get anywhere without it. And the Swiss Army knife netcat is a problem you will meet very soon. So, what was my mistake? Well, I thought the flag was buried in one of these resources. I looked through them and didn't find a flag. I thought I might actually have to use flag as a search string to see what I was missing, or using the view page source, etc., to find the flag. The problem you're trying to solve is 50 points. It's not going to be difficult, and sometimes you're moving ahead too fast, like when you're taking an exam and you don't read all the questions first, which might be a good idea so you can adjust how much time you need to use for each question. Well, I didn't scroll all the way down to the bottom of the web page, but right here is the flag. I copied the flag from the web page. So let's see if we can paste it in here. And we can. And submit. And we solved one more problem. And we're not going to do the scoreboard today, but we're doing okay. So until next time.